Hello guys, we back with another episode of the player of the manager career of Aston Villa. We have some playing Champions League matches. I think we both win it as well. We play now one Champions League game against Shakhtar. I don't know what is the team name, but we play it at home. Our Premier League match play Nottingham Forest in the FA Cup next Champions League game, and we set on second. We set on second because we draw against Nottingham Forest in the Premier League. Yes, we will play this game against this team. I don't know what his name. We play it. Oh, Bailey just scored. It must be shot. Oh no, I don't know why. I don't know who. Only Watkins. Oh my days, free kick to pass it in. Sergio Busquets. Sergio Busquets. Oh my days. Yo, what was that? I want to shoot. Whoa, Sergio Busquets. Why do you Bailey, please? Sergio Busquets. Sergio Busquets with the ball. Pass it in for Nana. Onana, Onana, what are you doing? Onana, what are you doing? Rashford, why did you not take it? Come on. Yes, get the ball. Here come Oli Watkins. Oli Watkins, what a chip. Chip. We chip it in, Oli Watkins scores. Oh my days, Oli Watkins scores a goal. Thank you, Oli Watkins. 2-0 in the Champions League match. Oli Watkins has made it 2-0. Look, this goal. Onana must score there. Onana shoot. Oli Watkins shoots and scores his goal. Oli Watkins get the prize. He can score his hat-trick. Oli Watkins just scores his hat-trick. Hat-trick in the Champions League, Oli Watkins. That will be. This is a cool player. He said I must turn him he come to my office and told me please go turn me, and I turned him and he scored some great goal. Marcus Rashford, please. Marcus Rashford. We are on alone here. Oli Watkins. Another goal for the player. The England team must start him at striker. What a goal by Oli Watkins. What a goal, Oli Watkins. They 4-0 in the game. We have a 4-0. Nana. Oli Watkins. You can score 5, Oli Watkins. You can score 5, Oli Watkins. Oh my days. Oli Watkins just scored 5 goals. Unstoppable, Oli Watkins. Now we have taken the win. Thank for Oli Watkins, the man of the match. I think he's top scorer now. Unstoppable. We take the win against it. I don't know what the team name. Get some come from injury. I want to train my team as well. Yes, I train the team. I want to take the all out notes. There's going war. Shoot. Oh yes. This one. Taking all out. In. Shoot. In. Want to make the shooting higher enough. I want to show you the stats. Yeah, we have beaten the team. We are for our group. Yo, Real Madrid are third. What happened? Real Madrid lose against us in the game. The tournament. Oli Watkins with 5 goals. Top scorer. Yes. Our next game is about Bournemouth away. We want to play that match. Nico Williams are still injured. I want him to return from his injury as well. We have started in the match. Oli Watkins was on fire at the Champions League. I want to see what he can do here in the Premier League. Oh, there's a free kick. Onana takes it. Onana, please close it. Oh my days. Sorry, Onana. Bournemouth has scored a goal. Oh my days, what happened in the defense? Bournemouth scores a goal. What happened? We must come back. Come on, Oli Watkins. Come on, Bailey. Sergio was coming, boys. He was the man of the team. Onana, please, Onana. Yes. Oli Watkins, here comes the star boy of England. Oh my days. Onana, Oli Watkins shoots. Oh my days. Offside by you. Oh my days. Rashford just scored. Thank you, Rashford. Thank you. Look, let's go. I make the pass. And it's like that's a pen that I passed it over. Rashford. Marcus Rashford. We can make it 2-1 if we play nice. We can win this game. We can win it. Here come Oli Watkins. Sergio Busquets. Sergio. Please score. Sergio. Oh my day, Sergio scored. Sergio scored the goal. That's the reason I signed him. Thank you, Sergio. Thank you, boy. Here come Oli Watkins. Oli Watkins with the ball. Oli Watkins with it. Oh my days, just been pulling there. What happened, Oli Watkins? Onana, please, Onana. Yes, Sergio Busquets. Oh. Yeah, defender, why did you stand like that? Oh yeah, we take that 2-0 win. Yes. So we have win 2-1. It was Sergio Busquets and in the yes, I started. Yes, that will be the end of the video. Please like and subscribe. So we come next video, episode 4 I think will be the next video. Peace.